Oh no! Look at all those crayons. And that's what's gonna happen, guys. You're gonna have crayons all over the floor. What's up, pranksters? Welcome back. Welcome back to Cynics TV. And yes, here on this channel, we also pull off pranks. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to pull off a really mean prank on a teacher. Now this prank should be for a teacher that probably gave you homework on a Friday, because nobody wants to do homework on the weekends. So for that teacher, you're gonna get pranked. Now before we begin, let's make sure that you guys are subscribed to Cynics TV and have all bell notifications turned on. Also, give this video a big thumbs up, guys. Let's get pranking. Let's get that teacher. Check it out. So basically, this is the scenario, guys. They gave you a packet of homework to do over the weekend. Now, who wants to do that? Certainly I don't. I don't want to do any homework. I want to play Fortnite over the weekend. I want to have some fun. I definitely want to sleep in. I don't want to be thinking about homework all weekend. So since I can't do anything about the homework, I'm going to prank my teacher. So guys, here's what you're going to do. Either get a box of crayons that you own or get some crayons from the supply box that your teacher probably has. So here are the crayons that we'll be using for this example. And if you notice, I have a lot of crayons here. That is perfect because we're going to be making a mess. So we're going to cause our teacher to leave late. It's Friday night. Teachers also want to go home. But this teacher, for giving me homework over the weekend, is going to get pranked. So here's what you guys do. Get the biggest box you possibly can of crayons. We're going to open it up. So let's open up this box right here. And notice that I have a lot of crayons. This is a lot of crayons, guys. And according to this box, it's 64 crayons. It's going to be 64 crayons that they have to pick up from the floor. So here's what we're going to do, guys. Let's close it up just for now. And let's look at the bottom. If we open up the bottom, there's like a little compartment there. This right here is to sharpen the crayons, and all the shavings will be stored here. Well, we're going to get rid of that. We're going to open up all the flaps. And yeah, these are two big flaps, as you guys can see right here. So we're going to shorten them because we don't need them to be this long. Luckily, I have some scissors here. Now, you guys can do this prank in less than a minute if you hurry. So cut the flap that you don't need. You guys can also cut the big one or tuck it inside, which is what I'm going to do. That way, teacher doesn't say that I'm damaging class property. So I'm going to tuck it in, guys. And to fully tuck in the flap, I got to take out all the crayons. And since there's 64 crayons, they're divided into 4 little boxes. So I'm going to take out all these little boxes. And I'm going to put them back in, but upside down. So all the crayons are going to fall on the floor. Just like this. Alright, so we're going to put them all in there. See, they're all in there now, guys. And also, I'm holding the bottom so the crayons don't fall out. Now I'm going to position this box close to the edge of the table, so that when teacher picks it up, he or she's going to make a big mess. Alright, so the crayons are in position now. I'm going to close up the top flaps. So now, guys, when the last bell rings and everybody runs off to catch the bus or walk home, you're going to leave this crayon box on the edge. Make sure it's not your desk, though, and make sure it's not the desk of any of your friends, because you don't want them to get in trouble. So leave it like that, guys. And then when your teacher's about to leave and she or he sees this crayon box on the edge of the table, they're going to be like, well, all the desks are clean except for that one over there, which has the crayon box. They're going to come over, try to put this where it goes, and this is what's going to happen. What is this doing here? Now, if we slow it down just a little, you guys can clearly see these crayons just standing there. I thought that was kind of funny. Anyway, let's carry on. Oh no! Look at all those crayons. And that's what's gonna happen, guys. You're gonna have crayons all over the floor. So they're definitely gonna have to stay late and clean that up. Or if they're mean, they're gonna let the janitor do it. But anyway, guys, that's the prank. That's how you guys can get back at your teacher for giving you homework on the weekend. If you guys want to learn how to do more pranks, make sure to subscribe to Cynics TV. I'll have more pranks on this channel, and you guys can always check out my main channel, youtube.com/nextraker. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. We'll see you pranksters in the next Cynics TV video.